Where is the attic? Maybe here? I just wanted to eat my lunch. Alright, let me eat it. Who are you and why are you in my house? I'm looking. You gotta check before you leave the house, bro. Make sure no one's out there, man. You gotta check your corners. There we go. Someone was whistling. Go back inside. Go back in. Poo-poos! What did I just say? Yo, chat, chill. There's a key. There's a note. Take this and leave now before she gets you. Alright. I'm gonna take the key. You don't gotta tell me twice. I'm out. Ah! Ew, spider web! Okay.